Welcome to the top best. The best sinus infection treatment is probably one of the most annoying health issues, causing headaches, congestion, and facial pain. But don't worry, in this video, we're diving deep into the best ways to tackle those pesky sinus infections. We'll explore various treatment options, from over-the-counter remedies to proven home treatments, helping you find the relief you deserve. Number 5. NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit. Are you suffering from sinus issues? This is the NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit. It's a complete system designed to provide relief. This kit offers a therapeutic saline nasal irrigation. It helps to moisturize and cleanse your nasal passages, providing much-needed relief. The rinse helps to alleviate nasal allergies and dryness. It's a gentle yet effective way to find comfort from these common issues. It also helps with nasal irritation from dust, fumes, and other irritants. This product can help you breathe easier. This kit can help with post-nasal drip and congestion. Use it to clear your sinuses and feel better. It is preservative, iodine, and latex-free. This makes it a safe and reliable choice for your nasal care needs. What we like. This nasal rinse kit provides a gentle and effective way to clear nasal passages. Its preservative-free formula is a great choice for those with sensitivities. If you're looking for a natural, drug-free solution to relieve congestion and allergies, this is a great option for you. What people say. It's very simple to use. Pour in the packet into the bottle. Fill it with distilled or bottled water. It's better than a neti pot and really works well for allergic rhinitis issues I've found and won't burn when using the packets. Number 4. Vicks Sinus Inhaler, Steam Relief. Are you suffering from seasonal allergies, colds, or congestion? This inhaler is perfect for providing temporary relief. The warm steam helps soothe dryness and irritation. Get targeted, non-medicated steam relief in just 5 to 15 minutes. It's easy to use with tap water and requires no filter. This makes it a convenient option. Enhance your experience with Vicks VapoPads for extra comfort. This combination helps soothe nasal passages. Discover the Vicks difference with this product. The soft face mask allows for targeted steam relief. You can adjust the steam intensity to your preferred setting. This ensures a comfortable experience. Like other Vicks products, this steam inhaler helps you breathe better. It also promotes more comfortable sleep. It's a great addition to your wellness routine. What we like. This inhaler offers targeted, non-medicated steam relief for congestion. The adjustable steam control allows you to customize your experience. If you like the soothing effect of steam and want a quick, easy-to-use solution for colds or allergies, then you should consider this. What people say. I have been using this product for a few days now and I can already feel a difference. This product really works. I had a sinus infection and after using this product, I feel so much better. This product is amazing. I was suffering from a sinus infection and this product cleared it up in a matter of days. Number 3. Vicks Sinex Severe Allergy and Sinus Nasal Spray. Are you suffering from nasal congestion? This product targets the source of the problem by reducing swelling in your sinuses. It helps you breathe better. Get instant relief that lasts for up to 12 hours. This product provides long-lasting comfort, helping you get through your day or night without congestion. This powerful medicine is designed to treat severe sinus congestion and pressure. It's effective for issues caused by colds or seasonal allergies, providing the relief you need. Unlike tablets, this nasal spray delivers medicine directly to your nasal membranes. This method ensures the medicine works where you need it most, quickly and efficiently. This product is HSA and FSA eligible. Check with your provider for more details on how you can use your health savings to purchase this product and find relief. What we like. This nasal spray provides instant and long-lasting relief from nasal congestion. It targets the source of the problem by reducing swelling in the sinuses. If you need fast and effective relief from severe congestion, this is the product for you. What people say. Clears nasal congestion fast. Lasts for hours. Clears up the nose no matter how stuffed it is. Number 2. Vicks Sinex Severe LiquiCaps, all-in-one sinus relief. Are you suffering from sinus pressure, headache, or congestion. This product is designed to provide fast and powerful relief. It helps alleviate multiple sinus symptoms, so you can get back to your day. This product offers all-in-one relief for your sinus symptoms. It's a non-drowsy nasal decongestant and pain reliever. It's a comprehensive solution for your sinus troubles. This product is best suited for sinus symptoms caused by the common cold or allergies. It reduces pressure in the sinuses and relieves pain. It's specifically formulated to target these issues. Need relief without the drowsiness? This product is non-drowsy, so you can take it and continue with your daily activities. It provides maximum strength relief without making you feel tired. This product is HSA and FSA eligible. Check with your provider for more details. It's a convenient option for managing your health expenses. Please note, this product is not formulated with an antihistamine. It is not intended to treat symptoms like runny nose, itchy eyes, or sneezing. It focuses on sinus-related issues. What we like. These LiquiCaps offer comprehensive relief from sinus symptoms, including headache and pressure. The non-drowsy formula allows you to go about your day without feeling tired. If you are looking for a multi-symptom relief, this is a great choice. What people say. The only product that opens my inner ears. Cleared my nose up fast. Number 1. Mucinex Sinus-Max Severe Nasal Congestion Relief Nasal Spray. Are you suffering from nasal congestion and sinus pressure? This product is designed to provide fast relief. It targets your nasal passages to clear congestion quickly. This nasal spray contains oxymetazoline HCl, a powerful topical decongestant. It starts working instantly and provides relief for up to 12 hours. The mist is applied directly to your nasal passages. It helps clear sinus congestion fast, so you can breathe easier. This product is suitable for adults and children ages 6 and up, with adult supervision. Always use as directed. It offers powerful relief from nasal and sinus congestion. It's effective for symptoms due to the common cold, hay fever, and other respiratory allergies. Mucinex is a brand that doctors trust. Choose this product for effective relief from nasal congestion and sinus pressure. What we like. This nasal spray delivers a powerful decongestant directly to your nasal passages. It starts working instantly and provides relief for up to 12 hours. If you need quick and long-lasting relief from sinus congestion, this is a great option. What people say. The product effectively cleared up my sinus infection. It provided noticeable relief from congestion and pressure. The treatment helped to reduce inflammation in the sinuses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.